Our world is becoming increasingly unpredictable, and there's never a convenient time for a backup battery failure. Without a periodic preventative maintenance plan in place, you likely won't even know about it until it's too late. Scheduled preventative maintenance will enable you to predict battery failure long before calling on your backup power system when you need it most, during a power outage, where the loss of time and money can be catastrophic for your business. Not to mention, properly maintaining your DC system and the batteries that power it will prolong the life of your equipment and protect your investment for years to come.
It's really important to have the preventative maintenance in place so you're going to get everything you need out of the battery, because that's your life. If you don't have your batteries for backup and you lose power, you're done.
So Eagle Eye's maintenance program ensures that when we lay out preventative maintenance programs for the customer, that we're following all the steps that are issued out by NERC and IEEE.
We always look to set up a preventative maintenance program where we're out there once or twice a year to help ensure that their batteries are healthy and their investment in battery monitoring or otherwise is protected.
Think you can't afford to pay for a routine preventative maintenance program for your DC power systems? Better yet, can you afford not to?